Hi, good morning everybody. Today we're gonna make a yarn bird. For the yarn bird you need a cardboard, white cardboard, black markers in different colors, a scissor, pencil, glue, of course, yarn. Well, let's begin. You have to trace or draw the body of the bird. Let me show you how. All around, down, try to make the head and go down all the way down like this. And I want you to make a triangle here for the beak, one circle for the eye, and you're gonna color right in the middle black, and the wing. It's just an oval. That's what you need: the body, the wing, the eye, and the triangle. Let's go cut. You cut the body, the wing, the eye, and the beak. When you have all this together, let's begin with the yarn. I want you to lace a yarn like this, because around the body you have to cut. Make a little cut all around the body like this. Let me show you. All around the body. Little cuts. And you're gonna try lacing all around, and put the yarn in the part that you already cut to hold it, okay? All around and around and around, like that. When you finish all around the body, it's gonna look like this. When you cut the yarn, just on the back of the bird, make a knot, and the final result is gonna be like that, because you're gonna decorate the wings whatever you want with the markers. You can color the beak yellow and the eyes with the permanent markers just right in the middle. This is the final result. I love this beautiful bird, yarn bird, and I hope you like it. Enjoy. See you soon. Bye.